In today's video, we're going to walk you step by step on how to actually use the Pulse Pro Plus here. So make sure you're in a comfortable attire. Don't wear something that's really restraining. Make sure to take off all your jewelry and, laptops, cell phones, things like that. Make sure that you have an eye mask too. That's really important if you're doing part of the meditation series and the video training here. That way you can block off your senses, get more internal. So the first thing here is just finding a quiet area that you can relax in, because that's what it's all about, is relaxing your body and letting go of the tension. So make sure to clean the pad. You can use from Healthy Hydration our disinfecting spray bottle, or you can use anything that's not toxic for cleaning purposes. Clean off the pads. Make sure you don't have your shoes on. Take your shoes off. Place your feet on the pad, nice and even here. It's gonna flash. You can just push up or down, turn the power button on, turn up or down. When you start out slow. There's no rush. So you can start on level 2, level 3 is usually good. If you ever get a sensation that's, it's really uncomfortable, it's burning or it's hot, turn it down. Also, if you have a pacemaker or you're pregnant, children, I'd suggest not to use it. But go ahead and start at level 2. It does have a time to 20 minutes. You can start out maybe with 5 to 10 minutes, depending on where your body, how your body reacts to this. But usually 20 minutes is great. You can use it every 4 to 6 hours. And that's basically it. Just keep your knees from touching. You can put your hands on your knees if you'd like. You'll see the machine says knees do not touch and no crossing, so don't cross the line here. And then just sit in your body quietly for 20 minutes here. All right, so I hope that gave you some instructions on how to use it. And voila, just like that, we start our healing journey.